I think it's getting...
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Parish in central Louisiana, Northwestern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Southeastern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, Northeastern Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elizabeth, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakdale, Glenra, Elizabeth, Grant, Beaver, McNary, and Union Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central, southwestern, and west central Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central, southwestern, and west central Louisiana.